In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales page in Payhip. This process is simple, yet incredibly effective for boosting your online sales and visibility. Whether you're selling a course, an ebook, or any digital product, setting up a captivating sales page can make all the difference in attracting potential customers. First, let's access the essential tool we'll be using, the Store Builder. Begin by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're in, head over to your store dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your Payhip store. You'll find the Store Builder feature here, which is where all the magic happens. To get started, click on Store in your menu, and then you'll see the option Launch Store Builder. Click on it, and you'll be transported into a workspace designed for customization and creativity. Next, it's time to add a custom page. In the Store Builder, you'll notice an Add button at the top left corner. Click on this to start crafting a dedicated page for your sales needs. Choose Custom Page from the options presented. Now, you'll want to name this page something that clearly indicates its purpose. Titles like Course Sales Page or Ebook Landing Page work well. This not only helps organize your store, but also helps with SEO and easy navigation for your customers. Now, if you intend for this page to be the first thing your visitors see, consider setting it as your home page. Simply click the settings or gear icon next to the page and select Set as Home Page. This step is optional, but could be beneficial depending on how central the sales page is to your offerings. Now we come to designing your sales page. Payhip's Store Builder offers a convenient drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to add and arrange different elements. Start by crafting text sections. These are crucial for grabbing your audience's attention. Think about compelling headlines that make people want to read more, concise yet informative product descriptions, and strong calls to action that guide your visitors through the buying process. Include image sections to vividly showcase your product, whether it's detailed shots or promotional banners. Images can make a world of difference in demonstrating the value of your offering. Videos can also be included to give a more dynamic touch. Whether you're embedding a YouTube or Vimeo video, this section could be used for a product demo or a personal message to your audience. Testimonials are another vital component. Build credibility and trust by including sections dedicated to customer reviews or success stories. Finally, don't forget to highlight specific offerings with featured product sections. This could be a special promotion or a bestseller you want to draw extra attention to. And there you have it. You've now set up a fully customized sales page in Payhip, ready to engage and convert visitors.